So today I have this dissecting kit and this is how it looks up close. The brand was really nice to give it to me so I can give you guys up close review and how this is. A lot of questions asked is, does it feel cheap? Do they bend easily? And this is like the scissors and stuff. You can use this for veterinary purposes or even students or medical stuff. Um, it's really like a dissecting toolkit. It also has protective case things here so you don't hurt yourself, which is really nice. And overall, they honestly don't feel cheap. They look really good, and like you said, there's a lot of tools like you see here. There's a lot of tools, and you just cover it up. It also comes with a pair of gloves, and what is this? A sterile surgical blades in here as well. So that's nice. As you see, overall, I don't feel like the quality is cheap. This does bend very little. I don't know exactly what this tool is, but if you do know, if it's supposed to be like this, then that's all by means. But this is to help you decide if this product is actually for you and worth it. For the price, is actually, I feel like it's a pretty good as well. But I recommend you to look at the product page to fully see if you would like this product. This also comes with, I'm pretty sure, 18 tools, and it also comes with 20 scalpel blades. So it has enough variety for beginners. If you need more advanced stuff, then I recommend you to look more into other things. But like I said, this is mostly, it feels like this is good for beginners or veterinary purposes or just for dissecting things, that whatever your job is that requires you to do such things, then yeah, I would completely recommend. And like, it's so easy to quickly put these tools back in, and they stay. So yeah, overall, it's a good product. And then you can just zip it back up, take it on the go. And it's made with leather here. So if you gotta pack this up and stuff, you can always have it here and make sure you don't lose all your pieces. Make sure you have all your tools in here and all that stuff. So overall, great product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.